Big eats today. What is up, boys and girls? So we are back at the shop today. Today we're going to be working on Brandon's ST. As maybe some of you know from my Instagram, this car's been down for about 10 months now. He blew it up in last April.
That was
March. So yeah, it's been down, and the reason it's been down so long because we've been waiting on this puppy. So this is a fully built 2.3.
Yeah, it's a 2.3.
It's a 2.3 stroker now. ST block originally. Big cams.
It's got V3 Piper cams, upgraded valves, springs, retainers, board and stroke. So it's a 2.3 instead of a 2.0. It was from a Focus, like you said, so it's a 2.0 board out. Yeah, big turbo. The trans is now built. It's a Jack's built transmission. Carbon line synchros, LSD, WPC coated gears and shafts, and then micro polished. Almost everything that could be done was done on this.
It's still capable of making 700 horsepower,
yeah,
which is fucking
way too much.
dummy amounts of power out of these.
Yeah, and also like I don't know if you explained or want to explain. Like it's got the MSD coil, it's got the XDI 30% plus fuel pump on it.
It'll be aux fueled.
Aux fueled, Deutschwerk, 1700 cc injectors.
Yeah, it's truly the works. I mean, no expense was honestly spared on this engine at all, which should you ever, unless you have an M50 B36. Love you, Scott. So yeah, we're gonna actually get started today, getting this thing in. He got the trans bolted up this week. Kind of just been putting it together this last month. We got some work to do. We got our work cut out for us. I'm just excited to get it all back together. So fuck it, without further ado, let's get started. Yeah, you literally won't see this, but it is just better to keep it as not rusty as possible. Take care of your machine. That's what Jimmy Oakes has taught me, at least. I think it's time.
Yeah, dump it in
Guess we gotta get this bitch up. Is this turbo, Brandon?
It's a GTX 3071R Gen 2.
In case you guys are wondering, that is why we're replacing his block. SVT Heyman showed up. She broke. Alright. So, sprays. Got the engine all mounted up over here. Now we're just gonna throw it in. It's gonna be a great time.
It's gonna be something. I remember taking that last video,
Yeah, it's tight right here. Make your block over there. Further out. Okay. Well, it wasn't easy.
No, it wasn't easy coming out either.
Yeah.
I expected that.
I guess having poly bushing mounts isn't the easiest.
Yeah, there's no movement.
Hell yeah. How short is it? Not very short at all?
I can't tell if it's going into fifth.
A little tight.
I just don't know if I should do. No, that's lockout.
Anyways, we got most of the front harness on, starters on, alternators installed and plugged in, coils are all plugged in, VTC solenoids. We didn't plug in the aux fuel because this thing's like rotates, so we got to figure out how the orientation is for that. And yeah.
I don't remember where that line goes. That's the problem, honestly. Like, just trying to remember what went where and all that.
Yeah.
That's the biggest.
When you have a build that's been down for this long, it's hard to figure out where stuff goes. I mean, it is pretty much a guessing game at this point.
Yeah. And yes, it's a junk oil filter because it's going to get replaced on 100 miles or 150 miles, whatever.
Yeah, this thing has a dummy break-in procedure. Anyways, we're gonna bolt up the back of these and continue on. I like this pipe. That's pretty freaking cool how it sits. It sits right up in there.
Yeah.
That's just a nice clean fit. Good. The thing's looking a lot cleaner once we got the intake on. Honestly, cleaned it up a bunch because wiring on these cars is just kind of a mess. And then you add aux fuel, got a box here. Just a lot of aftermarket parts. So just a little bit more mystery to it. Well, we have gone over everything.
I mean, can you think of anything?
I can't think of anything else that it possibly needs that would require the front bar to be off. So I guess it's time to put the front bar on. Honestly, like Brandon was saying, we are not making half bad progress today for what it's worth.
Yeah, when you step back and look at it, you're like, man, it actually is like coming together. It's a lot of stuff.
It's a lot of stuff, man. I didn't realize, but
With the reservoir and everything. Oh. Ah.
yeah, V-Vans look like they're just a total blast. Okay. Look at that. Ductwork is back on. Intake's on. Intake piping's on. Turbo piping's on. Intercooler is on with its piping. Coolant hoses are all
Honestly,
tied up.
Is it there?
I think so.
Is it there? 'Cause-
Downpipe's on, exhaust is on. All the parts that were on the engine are already on the engine because it was already assembled when we put it in. All we need to put on was the intake with its gaskets are installed. Yeah, all we need is a battery and you could literally start it up.
So we could start it up, but yeah, we need to charge the battery. Two, the tune on it's from the old setup. So yeah, you got to think that's no injectors, no fuel pump, smaller engine, no cams. So
Yeah, because this thing, so his old tune was literally, it was still stock engine. Still had the bigger turbo on it. It
if
made,
you want to get stupid about it, it was full bolt-on with the turbo and E50, and I mean it was well modified.
yep, it held up for a good while, and
It was
it
a
just
year and a half on big turbo.
good progress today for it. Only one day, and I wasn't the one who took this engine apart. It was him 10 months ago, 9 months ago, 10 months ago. So he didn't know where any of this went, and honestly, neither did I. But looks like we figured out most of it. It's not.
I mean, from a third-party perspective, I'm sure you thought the same thing. Like, it goes together pretty well.
Yeah,
like,
it's
these
not.
engines and stuff. The setup is not.
It's not crazy. It's all relatively simple, and he did mark where the bolts were originally, so
Yeah,
that's a huge bonus. It's just something you definitely should do, especially with the wait times we're experiencing now in the world. You should be marking your shit down. America just kind of sucks right now. Miatas are like $8 fucking grand. Yeah, the whole world sucks.
Yeah, I actually saw a Miata that was decent, and I think it was posted for $9,600.
$9,600 for your Miata. Aw, you're making a mess.
Oh no! No. Just trying to see the side of the axles. Whatever, installed is pretty tight.
What sucks is you can fully take off them bearings.
Can you?
Yes, they have snap rings on the end of them as well. See them? I don't know if they're
See how
snap
they
rings.
I don't know how they work, so I don't want to take them apart and not be able to get them back together.
Well, it looks like it's fucking coming apart anyways. Well, it's gonna be the end of day one. It's 5 o'clock. We've been here since before 8, right?
Yeah.
We will see you. We'll be back here Monday. It's Saturday today. Do some editing on this video Sunday, and then hopefully in about 30 seconds we get started. But okay, see you in a second. All right, what's up? Sorry, I look like a dickhead. It's cold out. Damn shop's all messed up. It's bad. Anyways, axles are in, trans fluid is in. We're just kind of hooking up grounds right now. Got the battery on the charger over here. And once the tune loads, that's when we get to start it up. I'm also trying out a new lens today. It's a Freewell lens that I ordered. I wanted to use it for my shoots and shit, but today, that's upside down. Today, we're gonna test it out on this vlog.
I literally feel like I'm gonna pass out.
It's okay. We're close. We're very, very close. You're uploading the tune. This is gonna be so sick.
Fuel's in it. Good. Yeah. Go ahead.
It's definitely trying. Where are we at, buddy?
Bro! Dude, that sounds ridiculous.
Dude, it sounds so sick. It doesn't sound much like an ST right now. Smells good.
Dude, I'm so happy.
Me too, man.
That's so sick.
I'm so happy for him.
Long time for this.
Very, very long time, bro. Like, I can't. It's been too long. It don't sound like an ST, does it?
Sounds good.
It just sounds good. Yeah. I think we'll have to see how the final tune does, because obviously, like, it's gonna run a little fucky right now, but it sounds sick.
Might be chopping after the tune.
I hope it does. If it does chop, woo! Hear that turbo?
No, you can see it. That plug right on the side of the engine, leaking.
Oh my fuck.
Right where you're shining,
Oh.
where that like white
Yeah.
prism is.
Well, you might be able to.
I mean, we might be able to RTV over it,
Yeah. But like that
shouldn't happen.
That absolutely shouldn't happen. Unfortunately, I didn't mean to end it on such a sad note. That's kind of really shitty, but you know, unfortunately, these things happen. Hopefully, we have an easy remedy for it, because man's waited 9-10 months now for this engine. We got it in, and something we never even touched is damaged. Oh well. I appreciate you guys for watching. You know the deal. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Very curious how you guys feel about front-wheel drive content, since it's a little off from the drift content that I post. If you guys would like to see more of this car, I will absolutely film more, because me and Brandon literally work together and we're fucking good friends. But yeah, like I said, thank you guys for watching. Most of all, take it easy.
I was running out of time, running through my mind.